The main difference between butterfly sit-ups and other types of sit-up is that you push your knees out to the side and keep your feet together. This makes it harder to use your hip flexors as you sit up, and you'll rely on your abdominal muscles more as a result. When doing butterfly sit-ups with just your body weight, you might like to use your hands to touch the floor beside your head and beside your feet to be sure that your range of motion stays consistent across all your reps. And this also stops you from using your hands to pull against your head as you sit up, which is something that you'll see quite a lot in gyms. It just puts unnecessary strain on your neck. Now, this ab mat that I'm using is one of my favorite pieces of equipment in the gym for ab work. It supports the natural curve of your spine, but it also makes a movement like a butterfly sit-up harder, because you can flare your ribs up and roll your spine around the mat, so you get a bigger stretch on your abs as you lower to the floor than if you were just doing it without the ab mat on a flat surface. If you don't have an ab mat and you still want to do butterfly sit-ups this way, a rolled up towel or like floor mat from the gym might be a suitable alternative, or a yoga pillow works quite well. But an ab mat is best because it's designed for these sit-ups. The third version here is adding resistance with a plate held against the forehead. Make sure you don't swing the plate forward as you sit up. This actually makes it easier, not harder. The plate needs to stay in contact with your head through the whole movement. Just like the unweighted version, you should flare your ribs up as you roll back. And since you can't touch the floor with your hands, tuck your chin as you roll back so your head isn't contacting the floor prematurely, and sit up to a tall sitting position at the top so that you can keep a consistent range of motion.